Hey guys, in this video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best miter saws in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a miter saws that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these miter saws, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
This is Hitachi's 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw with laser marker, model C12RSH2. Whether it's in the workshop or out on the job site, this powerful cutting machine combines strength and accuracy for even the most complicated miter and bevel cuts. The compact slide system allows the saw head to slide along fixed rails, eliminating the need for rear clearance. That's a big deal when you are working in tight areas or on a shallow bench. If it's accuracy you're looking for, the adjustable laser never misses its mark. You can easily set it to the left, right, or center of the blade. It's never been easier to get a precise cut the first time. The powerful 15-amp motor cuts through the toughest lumber with ease. These large sliding fences raise to 5 1/8 inches, which means you can finally cut up to 7.5-inch crown molding nested up against the fences. You get a 0 to 57 degree miter angle to the right, and a 0 to 45 degree angle to the left. At the same time, you also get a 0 to 45 degree bevel angle range to the right and left, allowing users to quickly and easily flip the saw blade while leaving the material in place. Positive stops and indications on the miter and bevel scale give you easy to read measurements and quick settings. Carbon brush access allows the user to easily inspect and replace the brushes as needed to greatly prolong tool life. A vertical handle with soft, vibration-reducing elastomer grip adds comfort and control. The included 60-tooth, 12-inch blade produces fine finished cuts. You also get a dust bag, vise assembly, 17mm box wrench, and Hitachi's 5-year warranty for peace of mind. The Hitachi 12-inch sliding dual compound miter saw is the perfect tool for making compound miter and bevel cuts with confidence.
Saws are ideal for trimming wood at a variety of different angles. Applications include framing, skirting boards, and nogging pieces. Types of cut include straight cutting at 90 degrees, bevel cutting, and compound cutting. The laser guide allows you to make extremely accurate cuts in wood. You can even make use of the pre-selected miter angles at 0, 15, 22.5, 31.6 and 45 degrees, and adjust your bevel from 0 to 45 degrees. The premium thin kerf blade has 24 carbide tip teeth, which increases the performance and runtime. And with one 5 amp hour lithium plus battery, you can make 189 crosscuts in 38 by 108 millimeter wood on a single charge. This miter saw is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your OnePlus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the OnePlus system of over 50 great tools for your home and garden, this cordless miter saw will work with any OnePlus battery.
12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. The DWS780 is our best yet, delivering our largest capacity, improved accuracy with the built-in XPS system, and the durability, portability, and ease of use features that our end users demand on the job site. Ease of use. The DWS780 has a number of features designed to make cutting and cleanup easy, including an oversized dust chute and deflector optimized to direct dust in any cut orientation that collects over 75% of the dust created. A high visibility bevel scale with an easy to adjust system to make bevel cuts easy and fast. A quick and accurate cam lock miter locking system for cuts. A range of accessories including clamps, material supports for larger materials, and stops to assist with repetitive cuts. Capacity. In addition to being a light and compact 12-inch compound sliding miter saw, the DWS780 provides 13 3/4 inch horizontal capacity to cut 2 by 14 lumber, and up to a stunning 16-inch horizontal capacity when using the back fence feature. Its capacity is a whopping 6 3/4 inches when cutting base moldings vertically, combined with its 7.5 inch nested crown capacity. This 12-inch, 56-pound miter saw has the largest total capacity of any miter saw on the market. Portability. Weighing in at a slim 56 pounds, this saw is lighter than the competition. The saw folds down to make carrying and storage easy. Handles on both sides of the base and the top of the saw help to give the user a firm grip during transport. Accuracy. The DWS-780 features a stainless steel miter detent plate, durable enough to remain accurate for tens of thousands of cuts. The machine-based fence provides perfect fence alignment and the accuracy that end users demand from their miter saw. Offering laser-like precision without the need to recalibrate, the XPS high-intensity LED light casts a shadow of the blade, which can be used to indicate
unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual-bevel axial glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new axial glide miter saw is more than a new way to crosscut, bevel, and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented axial glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the saw fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the axial glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The glide saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the axial glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool. The new glide saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity, up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning innovation, upfront bevel controls located on the front of the saw, eliminates the awkward reach to the rear of the saw and makes bevel adjustments quick and easy. Just lift the bevel lock lever and tilt the head. Adjust for right bevel. It's that simple. The glide saw's square lock quick release sliding fences also allow one-touch adjustment for extra support on bevel cuts, while its cast-in scales provide at-a-glance reference for repeat cuts, and removal is just as easy. The axial glide is also the only saw on the market with integrated expanding base extensions that provide up to 40 inches of added support for long pieces, 60% more than competitive saws. A large, easy-to-read bevel scale provides quick reference indicators for all common, crown, and roof angles, while the stainless steel miter scales and 10 positive miter detents allow speedy adjustment for the most common miter cuts. And a push-button miter detent override makes it simple to precisely set any neighboring angle. The glide saw also automatically adapts to 1 1/4 inch and 35 millimeter vacuum hoses, so both the work and the workspace stay cleaner. The new axial glide miter saw from Bosch, for general carpenters and remodelers, for finish carpenters, for cabinet and furniture makers, for anyone who values accuracy, durability, and unparalleled smooth precision for the life of the saw. Evolutionary performance, revolutionary design, by Bosch.
For professional contractors who rely on their miter saws day in and day out, introducing the new Makita LS1018. It's the latest in Makita's expanding lineup of best-in-class miter saws. The LS1018 weighs only 43.7 pounds for added job site portability. Pros demand accuracy, and the linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. At 90 degrees, the LS1018 has a full 12 inches of cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity at 45 degrees. The saw miters 0 to 47 degrees left and 0 to 60 degrees right, and bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees left and right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with larger trigger has a better fit for added comfort. It's powered by a direct drive 13 amp motor with soft start, so you'll get smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. Get the cutting performance and accuracy for the most demanding jobs. Get the LS1018 10-inch dual slide compound miter saw.